with understanding if your company has silos and what effect they may be having on your bottom line? Hi, I'm Dave Salieris with Salieris Consulting Group. And believe me, you're not alone. Many companies of all sizes, whether you're an entrepreneurial trying to grow larger or a large organization with multiple products in the field, every one of them struggle with some kind of silos. So let's start by defining what a silo really is. Think about the independent groups that you have across your organization, whether it's sales, marketing, or development. Many of those have individual heads of those organizations that think only about themselves. They put a blinder up so that they can create a higher effective, a higher efficient organization and be recognized for what their team is doing. What that actually does is start to build barriers. So as information begins to lack of a flow between those different groups because they want to keep it to themselves, that starts to build the silo effect. Let's give some examples. Say marketing here goes out to talk to these customers. They start to find out what the need states are. There's some really high things out there that are ripe on the vine to pluck. So marketing writes a specification. That specification is built around the customer need states from their point of view. Now that marketing spec needs to be transcended into a developmental spec so that development can take that product, create it, prototype it, bring it back to the customers to meet their needs. So what happens when that product actually fails? In many organizations, the communication link between development and marketing isn't very well put together. So that marketing specification doesn't translate over to a development spec, and because the developers don't know any better, they develop what they think the customer really needs. And they develop that product, and out it comes with the wrong feature set. These two different groups needed to have a shared purpose, an interdependence on each other that would lead to a greater creative output by collectively understanding what this customer really needs. That collective is the key to high innovation at a great rate. Here's one effective way you can do this. Take somebody from the development team and put them into the marketing group. Keep that individual there for multiple weeks up to a month, maybe 2 months. Have that individual from development act as if he's a marketing agent. Put him out in the field to talk to the customers. Simultaneously, take a marketing guy, put him into the development area. Have that marketing individual translate the marketing requirement into a development cohesive spec that the developers can use and be understanding that they have high investment, they don't have to do restarts, and develop in a sound way based upon having the shared liaison effect between putting different people in different groups for a short time. So there's one effective way to get started. Thanks for your time. I'm Dave Salieris at Salieris Consulting Group. You can reach out to me if you need more information around how to bust your silos.